Hello students, in this video we are going to study new chapter that is alcohol, phenol and ether. So what is alcohol, phenol and ether? ठीक आहे. इन ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड म्हणजे आपण मागच्या वर्षी पाहिलंय की ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड काय आहे. ओके, कार्बन अँड हायड्रोजन कंटेनिंग ऑक्सिजन, सल्फर, फॉस्फरस, ऑल these are the organic compound. Okay, so the alcohol or phenol means molecule which contain hydroxyl group bonded to the sp3 carbon atom or sp2 carbon atom, means saturated carbon atom containing OH group, and that unit present in the organic compound, and that molecule are called as a alcohol or phenol. Okay, so alcohol means here that is aliphatic organic hydroxy compound containing one or more hydroxyl group, they are also called as alcohol. Okay, so here ROH, this is alcohol, or containing two or more, means containing more than one OH group, all these are called as alcohol. Alcohol म्हणजे काय, तर असे मॉलिक्यूल की ज्यामध्ये कार्बन सॅच्युरेटेड कार्बन ॲटम कंटेनिंग OH ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे, हे युनिट प्रेझेंट आहे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, अल्कोहोल. ओके, मग आता ROH याचं मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल रिप्रेझेंटेशन करतोय आपण. ओके, देन हियर CH2OH, here again CH2OH, these are also alcohol, means alcohol containing saturated carbon with OH, and that unit present in the organic compound called as alcohol. Okay, next one, that is the phenol. Phenol means it is an aromatic organic hydroxy compound, they are called as a phenol. Phenol means what, here OH group directly bonded to the aromatic compound or aromatic ring, especially benzene ring or anthracene, or it is present on the naphthalene, means two benzene rings. Okay, means in this way here दोन benzene ring naphthalene and H gets replaced by OH. Okay, these are called as phenol. Okay, म्हणजे अल्कोहोल आणि फिनॉल या दोघांमधला फरक काय आहे, तर अल्कोहोल मध्ये सॅच्युरेटेड कार्बन ॲटम वर OH ग्रुप असतो आणि हे युनिट कुठल्याही ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड मध्ये प्रेझेंट असते. म्हणजेच काय, अलिफॅटिक ऑर्गॅनिक हायड्रोक्सी कंपाऊंड कंटेनिंग वन ऑर मोर हायड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप कॉल्ड ॲज अल्कोहोल. Okay, and phenol means in the aromatic ring or aromatic compound, hydrogen atom gets replaced by the hydroxyl group. One or more hydrogen atom replaced by one or more hydroxyl group, they are called as phenol. Okay, and next one means this is alcohol, this is phenol, and then next one, that is ether. Okay, ether means it is a organic compound in which oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl group or aryl group, or one alkyl group and one aryl group, or similar or different alkyl group, or similar or different aryl group, means this ether linkage, this O, it is bonded to similar or different alkyl group, aryl group, alkyl plus aryl group. ओके, म्हणजे या O च्या ज्या दोन व्हॅलन्सी आहेत, इथर लिंकेज ज्याला आपण O म्हणतो, आणि दोन व्हॅलन्सी आहेत, ह्या कशाने रिप्लेस झाल्या, दोन अल्किल ग्रुपनी, दोन अरिल ग्रुपनी, किंवा मग एक अल्किल आणि एक अरिल ग्रुप असेल तरी चालेल. ओनली इथर लिंकेज बॉन्डेड टू टू ग्रुप, टू अल्किल और टू अरिल ग्रुप कॉल्ड ॲज इथर. ओके, these are alcohol, phenol and ether. After that क्लासिफिकेशन, यानंतर काय करायचं आपल्याला, क्लासिफिकेशन. पहिले बघू आपण क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल अँड फिनॉल, अँड देन क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इथर. ओके, फर्स्ट दॅट इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल अँड फिनॉल. ओके, सो classification first on the basis of numbers of hydroxide group present in the given compound. Okay, and that is here mono, di, tri or polyhydroxy compound. Compound means here alcohol or phenol. Okay. So here means alcohol containing only OH group, only one OH group called as monohydric alcohol. Alcohol which contain two hydroxyl groups called as dihydric alcohol. And OH, alcohol which contain three OH group, here in this way, three OH group called as trihydric alcohol. Again, alcohol which contain two or more hydroxyl group, they are called as polyhydric alcohol. पुन्हा एकदा सांगते, एक OH असेल मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल, दोन OH असेल ड्रायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल, तीन OH असेल ट्रायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल आणि दोन पेक्षा जास्त OH ग्रुप असतील तर त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण पॉलीहायड्रॉक्सी कंपाऊंड. ओके. मग आता याच्यामध्ये पॉलीहायड्रॉक्सी कंपाऊंड कुठले झाले? दिस इथिलीन ग्लायकॉल अँड प्रोपिलीन glycol. Okay, these two are the polyhydroxy compound, and in polyhydroxy compound, this is dihydric alcohol and this is trihydric alcohol. Okay. After that, then second one, alcohol containing sp3COH bond. See here. Alcohol containing sp3COH bond means this carbon atom is sp3 carbon atom. मागल्या वर्षी 11वी मध्ये हायब्रिडायझेशन मध्ये आपण हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन ॲटम याच्यामध्ये शिकलो होतो. हायब्रिडायझेशन, टाइप्स ऑफ हायब्रिडायझेशन, sp3, sp2, sp, dsp2 and sp2d. Okay. So here sp3d, sp2d, dsp3, all these are the types of hybridization. त्यातला एक म्हणजे हा sp3 कार्बन ॲटम. ठीक आहे. आता या sp3 कार्बन ॲटम काय असतो तर ऑल फोर व्हॅलन्सीज they are satisfied by the single covalent bond, and such type of carbon atom is called as sp3 carbon atom. Okay. Now in this sp3 carbon atom, this H gets replaced by OH. Means this OH bonded to carbon which is sp3 hybridized, and such type of alcohol is called as alcohol containing sp3OH, sp3COH bonds. Okay. And these types of alcohol classified into three types. One is primary alcohol, second is secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Okay. Primary alcohol, OH bonded to primary carbon atom means single carbon atom or bond carbon atom which is bonded to the only one carbon atom called as primary carbon atom. Primary carbon atom म्हणजे काय? जो एकटा असतो किंवा तो फक्त एकाच कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच असतो. म्हणजे काय? amongst four valency of carbon atom, only one valency of carbon atom gets satisfied by the other carbon atom, and such type of carbon atom is called as primary carbon atom. And on primary carbon atom, OH group is present. Such type of alcohol is called as primary alcohol. For example, here CH3, CH2OH. Okay. Now this is the isobutyl alcohol, but it is example of primary alcohol because here OH bonded to this carbon and this carbon bonded to only one carbon atom. Means amongst four valency, two get satisfied by hydrogen, one gets satisfied by OH, and one last one gets satisfied by carbon, and therefore this is the primary carbon atom, and because it is a primary carbon atom, this alcohol is called as primary alcohol. Okay. Next, secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means OH group bonded to that carbon atom which is secondary. What is secondary carbon atom? A carbon atom which is bonded to two carbon atom. कार्बनच्या व्हॅलन्सी किती? 4. त्यापैकी 2 व्हॅलन्सी जर कार्बनने सॅटिस्फाईड झाल्या असतील तर त्या कार्बनला काय म्हणू आपण? secondary carbon. And on which secondary carbon atom OH group is bonded called as secondary alcohol. For example, this is also isopropyl alcohol. And this is isobutyl. Means there is no need. काय तर आयसो ग्रुप म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेळेस सेकंडरी असतो असं नाही. पहा इथे आयसोब्युटिल अल्कोहोल प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, आयसोप्रॉपिल अल्कोहोल secondary alcohol. Okay, and then third one, that is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol means alcohol in which OH group bonded to tertiary carbon atom. आणि tertiary carbon atom म्हणजे काय? Carbon which is bonded to 3 carbon atom and remaining one valency gets replaced by or it is satisfied by hydroxyl group, and this is called as tertiary alcohol. Alcohol, that is alcohol containing sp3COH bond, classified again, subdivided into 3, primary, secondary and tertiary. ठीक है, which depends on OH group bonded to which type of carbon atom. If it is bonded to primary, primary alcohol. If it is bonded to secondary, secondary alcohol. If it is bonded to tertiary, tertiary alcohol. Okay. Then after that, here classification of alcohol is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol. So allylic alcohol means OH bonded to sp3 carbon atom. Okay, and this carbon atom bonded to carbon-carbon double bond. See here, OH bonded to sp3 carbon atom, and that carbon atom it is bonded to carbon-carbon double bond, and such type of alcohol called as allylic alcohol. For example, here CH2 double bond CH, here CH2OH. Okay, this is allylic alcohol. Next one, that is D. This is benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol means here OH group bonded to sp3 carbon atom, saturated carbon atom, but that carbon atom bonded to benzene ring. Here H and H. Okay, such type of alcohol called as benzylic alcohol. पहा काय गंमत आहे इथे, aromatic ring is present. Okay, but it is a alcohol. फिनॉल मध्ये काय म्हटलं होतं आपण, OH bonded to the aromatic ring is called as phenol. Okay, OH bonded to the benzene ring called as phenol. Okay, पण इथे बेन्झीन रिंग आहे, पण तरी याला आपण अल्कोहोल म्हणतो का? कारण या ठिकाणी OH ग्रुप बॉन्डेड टू कार्बन. अदर दॅन बेन्झीन रिंग, अरोमॅटिक रिंगला OH अटॅच नाहीये. मग अरोमॅटिक रिंग ही वेगळी आहे, सबस्टिट्यूएंट आहे, आणि या कार्बन ॲटमला, या पॅरेंट अल्केनला OH ग्रुप अटॅच आहे, and that's why it is alcohol. And as benzene group is present in that molecule, it is called as benzylic alcohol, isn't it? Okay. Then now last one, that is alcohol of sp2 carbon OH. Here bond. Okay. Now here OH group means alcohol in which OH group bonded to that carbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond directly. Okay. म्हणजे OH ग्रुप कोण्या कार्बनवर अटॅच आहे? ज्या कार्बनला डबल बॉन्ड प्रेझेंट आहे, ज्या कार्बनवर डबल बॉन्ड प्रेझेंट आहे. Carbon-carbon double bond is there, and at that carbon atom OH group is also present. Okay, and called as alcohol, means sp2COH bond alcohol. It is also called as vinylic alcohol because its example is vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol, that is CH2 double bond CH-OH. Now here OH bonded to this carbon and this carbon bonded to double bond, carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore this is a vinylic alcohol. Okay. Next one, that is classification of phenol. Classification of phenol again on the basis of numbers of OH group. Okay, numbers of OH group, and therefore here phenol is classified into one monohydric phenol. Second one, this is dihydric phenol. Its common name is catechol. Okay, and then trihydric phenol. Here OH, OH and OH. Means there are the 3 OH group, and therefore this is trihydric phenol. एक OH असेल बेन्झीन रिंग वर मोनोहायड्रिक फिनॉल, 2 OH असतील डायहायड्रिक फिनॉल, आणि 3 OH असेल तर ट्रायहायड्रिक फिनॉल. ओके, त्याचे वेगवेगळे नाव आहेत आणि इथे नॉमिनिक्लेचर मध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत. हे आहे फ्लोरोग्लुसिनॉल, हे आहे कॅटॅचोल, आणि याला आपण ओव्हरऑल म्हणतो फिनॉल. ओके, देन आफ्टर दॅट क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इथर. Classification of ether. We know that what is meant by ether? Ether means this is the ether linkage, and ether linkage, that is oxygen atom bonded to 2 alkyl or alkyl plus aryl group called as ether. Okay, it is represented as R O R dash, R O A R, or A R O A R. A R means aromatic and R means aliphatic. Okay. Now, on the basis of this R and R dash, AR, R or AR, AR, on the basis of types of alkyl or aryl group which are present on the ether linkage, ethers are classified into 2 types. One is symmetrical ether. Okay, and next one, that is unsymmetrical ether. First symmetrical ether and unsymmetrical. Symmetrical ether means here ether linkage bonded to 2 similar alkyl group or aryl group called as symmetrical ether. And unsymmetrical ether means ether linkage bonded to different alkyl group or aryl group, or one alkyl and one aryl group. Means here ROR dash, RO, here AR and AROAR dash. म्हणजे इथर लिंकेज वर 2 डिफरंट ग्रुप अटॅच असतील. अल्किल असेल, अरिल असेल, अल्किल प्लस अरिल असेल, पण डिफरंट असेल तर असिमेट्रिकल. अँड सेम ग्रुप असेल AROR or AROR, AROAR. So that these are called as symmetrical ether. For example, here CH3OCH3 dimethyl ether, or C2H5O C2H5 diethyl ether, or dipropyl ether, diphenyl ether. These are the symmetrical ether. But here CH3O C2H5, both are different. Ethyl methyl ether. These are the unsymmetrical ethers. Okay, so this is the introduction, that is definition and classification of alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay, so after watching this video, हा व्हिडिओ पाहिल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय करायचंय, तर आपल्याला काही छोटीशी असाइनमेंट सॉल्व्ह करायची आहे, आणि जी की प्रत्येक व्हिडिओ मध्ये तुम्हाला असाइनमेंट दिलेली आहे. ठीक आहे, तर पहिलं आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ अटेम्प्ट फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वन, that is define alcohol, then phenol and ether. B, second one, distinguish between one, symmetrical and unsymmetrical ether. Second, primary and secondary alcohol. Next one, third, classification give classification formation of alcohol on the basis of a sp3COH bond, second sp2COH bond.